Feel that weight crushing you right now? That frustration deep inside because no matter how hard you push, the chaos around diversity feels like razor blades slicing through any hope of real peace? Yeah, it's brutal. The world screams diversity, like it's the magic fix. But beneath that shiny slogan, everything's breaking apart. People retreat to corners, distrust skyrockets, and harmony? It feels like a joke. Here's the raw truth nobody tells you. Just mixing different faces or voices around a table doesn't guarantee unity. Diversity, as it's served today, is often a shallow spray of colors, a box checked off to look good, while real connection and trust rot underneath. It burns you out because you thought this was the promise, that variety would lead to understanding, but instead, people build walls higher than ever before. You see this fracture where ideas don't collide to create brilliance anymore. They clash and fracture. That rage, that sting you feel when the diverse group splinters, it's the pain of a system failing to harness what's inside it. But here's the insane fire-stoking fact. Diversity can lead to genuine social harmony. Not the fake corporate kind that parrots buzzwords and calls it a day. Real harmony happens when diversity is wielded like a precise weapon, not a scattergun. Step 1. Stop worshipping identity as a static checkbox. Stop pretending being diverse means anything if you're stuck in rigid boxes, tribal mentalities, or victimhood stories. Every individual must fight to earn their place based on what they build, create, and how fiercely they push boundaries, not where they come from. This scorches the roots of mediocrity and entitlement waiting to strangle progress. Step 2. Build bridges through relentless individual accountability. You want harmony? Don't expect others to accept you because of your group. Demand they respect your ideas and actions first. The fire of commitment to self-overcoming burns away easy tribalism. Every team, every network must refuse comfort and safe spaces that quiet tensions without resolving them. The process is brutal but necessary. Disagreement, confrontation, ruthless merit-based evaluation. Not just diversity for diversity's sake, but dynamic meritocracy, where power and trust flow strictly to those proving they can lift everyone higher. Step 3. This is the real game changer. Stop serving the past. The old illusions of nationality, inherited status, fixed roles destroy them. We don't belong to nations, flags, identity groups. We belong to a mission bigger than that, the mission of becoming something new in the world. Diversity is not a static fact. It's a process of creation, a spark from merging unorthodox ideas, and relentless individual will forging a future beyond everyone's expectations. Don't be fooled. Social harmony won't arrive as a gift handed from systems built to control and mediate comfort. It's forged in the fires where the few rare, fiercely autonomous individuals find each other, not by luck, but by brutal, deliberate connection. You, who see the cracks, the stagnation and lies of freedom society sells, are meant to be that rare connective tissue. Stop waiting for the masses, the many to catch up. Instead, ignite synergy among the few ready to transcend limitations, break inherited chains, and create a new kind of world. A world where diversity powers relentless growth, breakthrough ideas, and absolute freedom. The rage you feel? Harness it. Your frustration? Fuel it. Turn it into a fierce refusal to settle for the tired, fake versions of harmony peddled everywhere. Lead by example. Demand results from diversity. Demand unyielding accountability. Demand the absolute freedom to be radically individual and radically connected. This is not easy. It's the hardest fight you'll ever face. But it's the only way. One that leads beyond the illusions into a genuine, pulsating social harmony, where difference doesn't divide but ignites a shared mission that no divide can break. You're not here to watch the world fall apart. You're here to build the network, the culture, the system the world forgot. The system that turns diversity's chaos into the greatest power humanity's ever known. Now get to it.